This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Tesla Model Y bonnet. First, to open the frunk electronically, simply tap the frunk icon on your vehicle's large touchscreen display. You can also use the Tesla mobile app on your phone. Just open the app and select the frunk icon there. You will hear a soft click as the frunk unlatches, indicating it is ready to be opened. If your Model Y loses power, you might need to use the manual release. To do this, locate the manual release cable, which is typically found inside the front right wheel well. You will need to carefully remove the fender liner to gain access to this cable. Once you find it, pull the cable firmly and steadily to manually unlatch the frunk. After the frunk has been unlatched, whether electronically or manually, you can proceed to lift it. Gently lift the frunk lid from the center, ensuring that both latches are fully disengaged before you apply upward pressure. The frunk is designed to open smoothly on its hinges, so avoid forcing it open if it feels stuck. To close the frunk properly and avoid damage, first lower the lid gently until it rests on the latches. Do not slam it shut. Then, place both hands on the front edge of the frunk, applying even pressure. Press down firmly until you hear both latches click securely into place. This ensures a proper seal and prevents accidental opening.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.